Hello everybody, my name is Kyle DeBell, and today's tutorial will be about borrowing books and other materials through interlibrary loan. There will be times when you will be unable to find a book or journal article in our library's collection. Fortunately, we have interlibrary loan, which is a service that allows the library to borrow materials from other libraries or institutions. To make interlibrary loan requests through WorldCat Discovery, simply enter in the title of the book or the keywords you use to find the book that you are looking for. So in this case, we want to make sure that we're on libguides.yhc.edu, and we're just going to simply enter in our terms or the title of the book. For our purposes, I already know the title of the book, so I'm just going to copy and paste it into the WorldCat Discovery search bar. If you see the message held by other libraries worldwide, it means that our library does not have the book in question. Click on the title of the book, and underneath Check Availability, you will see the option Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. Once you have clicked the Request Item through Interlibrary Loan link, you will be taken to an electronic form. Scroll to the bottom, and you will need to fill out a needed before date, your first name, your last name, the YHC card number, which is the little 5 or 6 digit number found on the back of your Young Harris College student ID card underneath the magnetic strip, and you'll need to fill out your YHC email address. Once you hit submit, your request will come to us. Books and other physical materials take about 2 weeks to arrive, so make sure you begin your research early. When your materials have arrived in the library, you'll be notified by email to come pick them up. Articles will be emailed to you directly, and they usually take about 2 to 3 days. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.